Hey food lovers, ready to elevate your cooking game? Hit that subscribe button, comment, like, share this video, and join us on a culinary journey here at Culinary Recipe Creations, where cooking inspiration meets your taste buds. Love steak? Love shrimp? We've got the perfect combo for you. Let's dive into a mouth-watering surf and turf adventure. Start with 2 juicy ribeye steaks. Rub them with olive oil, salt and pepper. For extra flavor, marinate for 30 minutes or overnight. Now let's make some herb butter. Mix softened butter, fresh parsley, chives, garlic and lemon zest. Shape it into a log and chill. While the steaks reach room temp, marinate 12 large shrimp in olive oil, oregano, garlic powder and red pepper flakes. Ready for the grill? Heat your grill to medium-high. Sear the steaks for 5 minutes per side for medium rare. Rest them while you grill the shrimp for 2-3 minutes per side. Plate it up. Add a pat of herb butter on each steak and watch it melt. Serve with your favorite sides. Enjoy. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Culinary Recipe Creations for more delicious recipes.